Let me show you how to get this smoky eye, and don't worry, it is easy peasy, even if you're just starting out, even if you have hooded eyes. I'm gonna be using the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 eyeshadow palette. You can use whatever colors you have. First thing you're gonna do is frame the eye by doing some tight lining and liner on the lower lash line. If you wanna go really dramatic, smoke that liner underneath your lower lash line. This will help make your eyes look bigger. Press a matte medium shade on top of that liner. Cool thing about this palette, it comes with 2 cream shadows and a cover, which helps keep them from getting dirty. Apply a cream shadow all over your lid, go up to your crease, which is this hollow spot of your brow bone. And if you don't have a cream shadow, you can use a gel eyeliner, or you can take an eyeliner pencil, rub it back and forth, and then take a brush to smudge it to smooth out. Take a transition color and put that in the outer part of your crease. Don't be afraid to overlap onto your brow bone if you have hooded eyes. Now you could stop here and just apply some lashes and mascara, but if you like a little shimmer, let's keep going. Take a shimmer or metallic shade that's similar to the cream that you use and press it on top, also going right up to your crease, which again is the hollow below your brow bone. Take a medium to dark color that's matte, add it to the outer corner for some more definition, and bring up into the crease. Take a light shimmery color and put it underneath your eyebrow and the inner corner. Then throw on some lashes, your favorite lip color, and you are ready for date night, my friend. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look. Follow me for more makeup education.